Let ABCDEF be a regular hexagon with side length 6 and construct squares ABGH, BCIJ, CDKL, DEMN, EFOP, and FAQR outside the hexagon. Find the perimeter of dodecagon HGJILK and MPORQ. All right, so I have drawn out this diagram, which consists of this regular hexagon, these 6 squares on the exterior of the hexagon, and ultimately this big dodecagon we want to find the perimeter of. And ABCDEF is a regular hexagon, which means all of its sides have the same length, which is 6, and all of its angles are equal to each other. Namely, this angle over here is 120. This angle over here is 120, and so on and so forth. And we want to use this information to find this dodecagon's perimeter. And well, we can see that, well, look, ABGH is a square, which means that all of its side lengths are the same. See, that's 6, and this one's 6. So GH is 6. Similarly, BJ is 6, CI is 6, JI is 6. And if you keep going on this way, you see that we already have the lengths of 6 of the sides of this dodecagon, and now we just need to find like GJ and IL and so on and so forth. But how do we find that? Well, the key observation is that, hey, this angle is 120 degrees. These are both squares, so this angle is right and this angle is right. And these 4 angles must sum up to 360 degrees because they're 360 degrees in a full circle. So what does this leave us with? This is 120 degrees, this is 90 degrees, this is 90 degrees. So we have 60 degrees left over to make it 360. And we have GB and BJ are both 6. This angle is 60, which means that, hey, this angle has to be 60 and this angle has to be 60. And therefore, this triangle is equilateral, which means GJ is also 6. And similarly, we can find IL is 6, KN is 6, PM is 6, OR is 6, QH is 6. Which means that this dodecagon has 12 sides with length 6. So its perimeter is the sum of all these sides, which is 12 times 6 equal to 72. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.